Imagine you must study all these living things. Not 10, not 100, but millions. How would you even begin?
One student needs a tiger, but everything is mixed together. Finding one thing takes too long. Why is this happening?
Look at these two shelves. Which one would help you faster? Why do you think so?
The organized shelf is faster. The books are grouped by subject.
Yes, I agree. It's much quicker to find what you need.
Now compare these two collections. One is mixed, one is organized. Which seems easier to study?
Suppose you had to make groups. What rule would you choose? Size, color, place where they live? Oh, look at the different results.
Scientists faced the same challenge. There were too many organisms. What could be the solution?
Here is the first clue. Grouping makes things easier. Instead of millions of separate organisms, we can study smaller groups. Second clue. Organisms in a group share features. If you study one, you learn something about the others. Imagine finding a new organism. If it matches a known group, can that help us understand it faster? One more clue. Some organisms are more closely related. Grouping helps scientists see these connections. Why might that be useful?
Now the mystery becomes clear. Scientists use classification. Classification means grouping organisms based on similarities and differences. Classification helps us study life easily. It helps us identify organisms. It helps us compare them and understand diversity better.
Without classification, studying life would be very difficult. With classification, knowledge becomes organized and useful. We use classification every day. Books are grouped. Apps are grouped. Products are grouped. That saves time and effort.
Let's try a quick activity. Can you group these organisms? Choose a rule and explain it.
Here is your challenge. A newly discovered organism shares many features with birds. How could classification help scientists study it? It has feathers and lays eggs.
But it might be reptilia, since some reptiles lay eggs too. Classification helps us understand its relationship.
Exactly.
Think about this. What would happen if no classification existed? Would studying life become easier or harder? Why?